Hey folks, how's it going? It is Royal Shrimp here, and I wanted to do a quick tutorial today on how to use the residence plugin on my Minecraft server. So as you can see, I'm just here in one of my towns, and so yeah. Now the first thing you need is you're going to need a wooden sword. So I have one in my inventory, and if you don't have one, what you can do is you can do /buy wooden sword, and then you can buy a wooden sword on our server. But now that you have a wooden sword, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to basically go wherever you want to zone your zone or create your zone. Now what you want to do is you want to take, you're going to have to select two blocks. So let's say we'll go from here and here. So it's a little bit tricky, but you have to imagine it'll protect this block, or so let's do it this way. We'll go like this. So if I select this block with the wooden sword right here, that one, it'll select all these blocks in this range if I select that one as my second one. So if I build one up here and one down here, if I take this block right here and that one, it'll select even the air over here. So you have to think of it as a three-dimensional little area, like a cube. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to select your one block. So I'm just going to hit it, and yeah, I kill it because I'm in game mode 1. And so then you select that primary point, and then you're going to want to go and you're going to want to select this point right here. So now I've selected this whole cube right here. So these blocks down here and this little what is this? 2 by 3 up here. This little area full of air. So then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to type res create and then the name, whatever name you want it to. I'm just going to call it test. So there we go. I've been charged $60 from my Vault account, and the residence has been created. Now what you can do instead is what before you even select or create it, you can do /res select, and then you can do size, and that'll give you how much it'll cost. So I have 12 blocks selected in total. That's how much it's going to cost, and as you can see, it includes air because of course, you know, 2 by, you know, that's 6 right there, and then of course it includes the air up here. And so basically that it'll show you the size, like you can see the X size, the Y size, and the Z size. You can see the total cost. Now on my server it costs $5 per block. So you know, you can think of that if you want to secure a whole town or whatever. That's going to be fairly expensive, but I do that to promote market activity and buying and selling and trading and stuff like that. So yeah, and then what you can do is you can do something like let's say you want to have people not walk in your zone. You can do res set and then test move. That's one of the so you want to have first your residence, and then you want to have the set. So you want to have res set. Now set is a command which you use if you want to change any of the settings around. And then you do of course the name, so test. And then after that, what you're going to want to have is the actual flag. They're called flags, or the actual settings. So in this case, we'll have move. Now if you have move false, nobody but you can move inside your zone. Everyone else will get blocked, so I'll do false. So now the flag is set. Of course, I can go in and out, but nobody else could go in and out. They can't jump up here or anything. They wouldn't be able to fly in this little zone here because, as you can see, it says I'm now in my test zone. So what you can do is you can do, if you're in a zone and you want to see the flags, you can go in your zone. You can use /res info, and as you can see there, it tells you the owner, what world it's in, and the flags, and my flag. So I can use anything. Container means that you can use chests, doors, everything like that. I can put fire down. I can use, I don't really know what that's for. I can build in it. If you disable build, I can't do anything. So let's do res set test build false. So let's see if that works. Oh, well, I guess because I'm the owner it doesn't, but still. For anyone else who's not the owner, it won't work. They can't do anything. Now what you can also do is you can change the message around. So I actually have a built-in feature on the server where it there's a very nice help. So you can do /help zone. I actually need to look at it for a sec as well. Okay, so if you want to change the message of your server, you can do this /res test message And then if you want to enter or leave, so let's do enter, and then the message. Welcome. Oh, or not. Shrez message enter welcome. Sorry, I have to, yeah, invalid residence. Okay, slash res message enter welcome. So you have to, okay, so you have to be inside your residence to do that. But basically, when I leave now, welcome. Instead of that really annoying long thing, it now just says welcome. Instead of saying owned by or whatever. And then when you leave, you can do the same exact thing. So go inside your residence, be inside, you do slash res message leave, and then you say bye. So now when I leave, it says bye. And you can change that whenever you want. Like I said, in the help section, slash help zone, you can see you can also transfer zone ownership, you can create, you can delete it. There's a lot of other things you can do. If you do slash help zone rent, you can see all the markets. So you can sell zones, you can buy zones, you can rent zones, you can lease them, you can do a lot of different things. Anyways, guys, if you have any further questions, please just ask them in the comments. My name is Shrimp, and I hope you guys have found this tutorial a little bit helpful. Bye.